18th of July, Bitcoin is at 21,500 approximately. And in our last update on Bitcoin, we mentioned and highlighted the importance that even if price goes above the range or above even this high of 22,500 approximately, then we need to close a daily candle above at least 22, perhaps also above this high. And the highlight was we needed to wait for a daily candle to close. And look how important that is, because today Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptos surged in an absolute way. Uh, they got to Bitcoin surged 9.74%. That's huge. One day from low to the high, and it crashed. All the people, a lot of the hype, and a lot of the people that got in here, okay, all the way from all the way from just above this high. Some of them just waited to go above this high of around 21,700 and bought, all excited, ready for a breakout. Okay, getting into the excitement, adrenaline is pumping, and those that did not wait for the close and that important suggestion that was made are all trapped. And they either got their stops are hit, or some of them got margin called because they're trading with a high leverage in crypto. In Binance, for example, when we trade futures there, the default is a leverage of 20, and they're stuck and they're selling. Some of them are selling by market orders because that's when their stops are hit. Are being liquidated, as mentioned, and this drives the price down even further. Okay, uh, from the high to the current price, we've got quite a huge, almost 5.5% down. That's big for crypto and big for leverage trades. So this is to highlight that even if one was looking at not this high, but even the value area high of this range, okay, which is at about 21,800, uh, they could have been tempted to buy, but those that waited for a close of the daily candle, which closes in about 3 hours and 6 minutes, it doesn't look like it's going to close above even this value area high. So they would save themselves from a sorrow loss. We also mentioned that for an addition confirmation, you want even uh, the next daily candle to also uh, close close to its high and be also a bullish candle following that candle that closes above a certain target. Closing of a daily candle provides some agreement. A lot of people are watching the main clocks of Eastern Time in the United States, and they know that the following day there's a lot of algos and traders that will be looking at the very popular time frame of daily candles, and there's a fight over how that candle is going to look like. So if however it ends, uh, is a form of an agreement about that day. So, in summary, right now, I mean, things can change. We've still got 3 hours. It doesn't look like we're going to definitely close the candle above the high of 8th of July, which was 22,490. It also doesn't look like we're going to be closing above the high here of 9th of July, which is 21,959. So we're not going to probably close above 22,000, which is a round number. And we'll see about the 21,810, which is approximately the value area high. That is still open? Probably not, because again, there's a lot of surprise bulls. When they're surprised and stuck and trapped, that expedites selling. So Bitcoin, if it doesn't close above 22,000, most likely it will visit 20,500 next, which is the POC, and it's got a good chance of visiting the 19,700 approximately, which is the value area low of this range, and stopping out all these candles, all these people that put the stops here, their stops will get hit. If that happens, expediting the drop to this next level, where some buyers may be coming, or some short sellers that have taken the short here will be stopping their shorts, covering their shorts, which means buying to cover, which means a little bit of buying pressure that might be temporary. So remember, the close of the daily candle, if you want to seek for more confirmation, especially for longer term swing traders, especially for long-term holders that are looking to accumulate. Thank you. Have a good week.